dog lovers? My name is Lauren. I'm a senior trainer with Off-Leash Canine Training in Hawaii. This is 5-month-old Luca, the polar bear. Actually, he's a yellow lab, and he's been placed in our famous 2-week organ train program because he's a puppy. He has puppy tendencies. He barks loud. He barks a lot. He jumps all over people, so we got manners that need to be corrected, and he needs to be trained up so he's generally obedient. Let's see what he knows versus what he doesn't know. Come on, buddy. Luca, can you sit? Can you sit? No, not jumping. No jumping. Can you sit? Can you sit? Oh, there's that naughty jumping behavior that I was talking about. Oh, boy. Luca, can you place? Can you place? You're almost there, buddy. Place. 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 Almost. Place. Almost, guys. Almost. You almost had it. Down. Luca, can you down? Down. 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 That's another down, man. Alright, the last thing I want to check out is this guy's recall and how he does around distractions. Luca, come. Luca, come. Come. Come here, man. Come here. Come. Come here, bud. Sit. Yeah. There we go. His recall definitely needs a lot of work. He's a 5-month-old puppy. He's going to be a lot of fun, but we've got a long ways to go. Alright, let's check out this wild child's heel command. Come on, go. Alright, I want this guy feeling, hanging out directly by my left side. He's not doing that right now.
Hi everyone, my name is Michael, my wife Eva, and our dog Luca right here. I guess we're really appreciative of bringing him out here. He used to be he used to not listen with everything we tell him, especially having a kid was difficult, but it seems like the way it is with the training that we've seen and the way we've trained now he's a lot more different dog, especially with the way he heels, down, sit. It's been a pleasure just having him here and we appreciate it.